So, if that's how Beyonce fan did it, then did 2020 Vision upload a metric ton of videos with
the way it just responds in general, periodically, and it's never at a certain time. Like, I wake up pretty
important to me. I'm just gonna let the water trickle over for a while, do some swirls, some of these maneuvers, and then there's one last step: photo flow.
God damn it, another ARG. If you're unaware, yes, this is a common occurrence. One of the UKD, in a bizarre parallel to the actions happening now, would take their situation public, further issuing a warning to any unsuspecting passersby who might come into contact. Be a big deal in the future. That's why I stick with it, regardless of how awful the community is sometimes. The staff are actually forgiving, and I'm not sure why Stompy is targeting them or making accusations.
What's up, everybody? This is the Act Man here, and today I'm finally going to talk about the thing.
Manual recording will now start.
Without further ado,
see it over and over again and getting banned.
God damn it, I still feel some guilt. Although you know what?
That's a great place to park.
Person, and they work with a computer or something like that. You also have a third one called Pink Collar. I'm not even kidding. That usually involves sales, entertainment, customer.
Bored in the rest of the campaign. Why the fuck didn't they cut this scene out? Anyways, the game starts up looking pretty good, but then right off the bat we get boring exposition from
Manual recording will now start.
Ah, you're U-turning. Okay, fuck you.
Do I need to go any further with this review? Like, do I really need to go any further?
Jesus fucking Christ, I am surrounded by retards!
Got back in the day. It's nice to see such wholesome moments like this from its pioneers. It's just a shame that Ozzy Osbourne had to take
Manual recording will now start.
Next, Brandy had stabbed herself in the same place as well, but this surprisingly didn't end up killing her. Shortly after this,
into this game. On a more serious note, let's talk negatives, i.e. the rest of the game. Fans were upset because CTF wasn't in here at launch, and neither was searching the
that was a pretty long wait.
Manual recording will now start.
They can end the player's life in a matter of seconds on higher difficulties. Gameplay-wise, the Marines in Halo 3 are even more intelligent.
Nice. Sergeant Johnson could have become like the spokesman of Halo. Got him selling me this game, asking for pre-orders.
Alright, you giving up right away? I'll take it.
Manual recording will now start.
How did you do that?
He really needed. At least Microsoft gave us a kick-ass remake with a full-fledged online multiplayer. Easily one of the funniest games ever.
Fuck you!
Manual recording.
Fuck you!